Welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of spending hours cleaning your windows, today's video is just for you. We're going to explore the top 5 best window cleaning robots for 2025 that will make your life easier and your windows sparkling clean. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Automatic Window Washer Robot Cleaner. This innovative robot features a 3,200 Pascal suction power, making it one of the most powerful window cleaning robots available today. With its intelligent path planning, it navigates your windows with precision, ensuring every inch is spotless. The ultrasonic atomization technology uses high-frequency sound waves to break water into tiny 12-micron particles, which effectively remove stains. This intelligent design mimics the bionic human body to breathe, ensuring no stain is left behind. Control the robot effortlessly with the Tuya app or voice prompts. Whether you're at home or on the go, you can start the cleaning with just one click, using your smartphone or simply commanding the robot with your voice. With 3 operating modes: N-word mode, wipe then root once; Z-word mode, wipe the Z root once; and depth mode. For deeply stubborn dirt, you can customize your cleaning experience depending on the level of grime. Equipped with a sucker fish bionic adsorption system, 3.0 3,200 Pascal suction, and a 6 kilogram vertical weight capacity, this robot is safe and effective for high-rise windows, giving you peace of mind when cleaning those hard-to-reach areas. The Automatic Window Washer Robot Cleaner is perfect for all types of windows, including glass, frameless glass, bathroom mirrors, and even tiles and marble surfaces. Say goodbye to manual cleaning and let technology do the work for you. Number 4. App Control Robot Window Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the App Control Robot Window Vacuum Cleaner, the future of effortless window cleaning. With 2,600 Pascal suction power, this robot vacuum is designed to remove dirt and grime effortlessly. It works efficiently on both dry and wet surfaces, ensuring your windows are left spotless every time. Thanks to its ultra-thin robot design, this device can reach even the most difficult corners, giving you a thorough clean without the hassle of manual work. Managing your window cleaning is easier than ever with App Control. Simply connect the device to your smartphone and enjoy the convenience of automatic water spray for a streak-free finish. The dual-sided cleaning feature ensures a comprehensive clean on both sides of your glass, enhancing visibility and making your windows shine. Choose from 3 cleaning modes, including the N and Z shape clean mode, for a more efficient cleaning experience. This robot cleaner also comes with multiple safety features, including an anti-fall optocoupler sensor that detects borders, preventing accidents. The emergency power supply, with a 650 mAh lithium battery, ensures the robot stays securely attached to the glass during power failures. Whether it's framed glass, frameless windows, bathroom mirrors, or seamless tiles, this robot is designed for a wide range of surfaces, offering a versatile cleaning solution for your entire home. Number 3. Liectroux Window Cleaning Robot. The Liectroux window cleaning robot equipped with dual water spray functionality. The Liectroux YW509 cleans your windows thoroughly by spraying water to the left, right, and down. This ensures your windows are spotless and streak-free. The laser sensor navigation system allows the robot to intelligently avoid obstacles while reaching hard-to-clean areas. Whether it's a frameless glass or a smooth tile surface, this robot adapts to a variety of surfaces with ease. Thanks to its anti-slip driving wheel, the robot moves steadily on glass surfaces without the risk of slipping, ensuring smooth and secure operation during the cleaning process. With its large capacity water tanks holding a total of 100 milliliters, you can clean up to 35 square meters of glass without having to refill. Plus, The robot's intelligent water spray dissolves dry stains in advance, making it ideal for all kinds of dirt, from water stains to ink and bird droppings. The Liectroux YW509 is designed for a variety of glass surfaces, including frameless glass, double-glazed windows, and seamless tiles. Its intelligent path planning system, including NEN, Z, and N+Z modes, ensures thorough and efficient cleaning even in small or tricky spaces. Safety is a top priority. The robot comes with a professional-grade safety rope and buckle system to prevent accidental falls, giving you peace of mind while it works. Whether you're cleaning windows, smooth tiles, or mirrors, the Liectroux window cleaning robot takes the hard work out of cleaning and provides a smarter, safer, and more efficient way to maintain your home. Number 2. ABIR WD-8 Robot Window Vacuum Cleaner. The ABIR WD-8 features dual water spray nozzles that spray water in 3 directions, breaking down dirt and stains effectively. Its high-efficiency, ultrasonic nozzles atomize water to clean windows without manual effort, giving you spotless windows in no time. Equipped with advanced laser sensors and the SLAM 4.0 system, the ABIR WD-8 intelligently plans its cleaning route in real time. It detects edges with precision, adjusts its path instantly, and ensures complete coverage without missing any areas. Controlling the robot is easy with the Tuya Smart or Smart Life mobile application, which allows you to connect via Bluetooth. Alternatively, use the remote control for convenience. Whether you're at home or away, the ABIR WD-8 gives you control at your fingertips. The ABIR WD-8 offers 4 customizable cleaning modes to suit your needs. Fixed point cleaning allows the robot to repeatedly clean a stubborn area, while Smart Memory ensures the robot returns to the starting point after cleaning is complete. Safety is a top priority with the ABIR WD-8. Its laser edge detection sensors prevent the robot from falling, ensuring it stays securely attached to windows, even on high-rise buildings. With a vertical load-bearing capacity of up to 7 kilograms, it's perfect for cleaning windows on the highest floors. With its ultra-thin design and large vacuum suction power of 3,000 PA, the ABIR WD-8 provides reliable cleaning performance on a variety of smooth surfaces, including windows, mirrors, tiles, and marble countertops. Number 1. RL4228 Window Cleaning Robot. The RL4228 window cleaning robot is designed to tackle all your window cleaning needs. Equipped with dual roller brushes, it provides a more thorough clean while protecting your glass from damage. Its automatic water spray system uses 3 nozzles to evenly distribute water, breaking down dirt and stains with ease. With a 30-milliliter water tank, this robot uses ultrasonic atomization technology to create ultrafine water droplets that effectively clean dust and stains. It can easily remove a variety of stains, such as water stains, rain stains, bird droppings, ink stains, toothpaste marks, and even graffiti. Thanks to the AI Intelligent Drive System and advanced laser sensors, the RL4228 navigates your windows with precision. It uses MEMS automatic detection and high-precision air pressure sensors to avoid obstacles and edges, ensuring a safe and efficient cleaning experience. The robot automatically adjusts its path to cover every inch of your window. You can easily control the RL4228 window cleaning robot using the Grafty Intelligent app, which allows you to manage the robot's cleaning modes, such as Z and N mode, edge cleaning, and spot cleaning. You can even receive voice announcements, keeping you updated on the robot's progress. The RL4228 features an upgraded path algorithm, ensuring it covers your windows efficiently without leaving any streaks or missed spots. Its 2,800 Pascal vacuum suction power guarantees a strong hold on the glass, even when working on tall or frameless windows. With intelligent power failure protection, the robot stays safely attached to your window for up to 25 minutes if there's a power outage. Plus, it automatically stops cleaning once it finishes, making it simple to retrieve and store. And there you have it, the top 5 best window cleaning robots for 2025. These innovative devices are designed to save you time and effort while giving you spotless windows. Be sure to check out the links in the description to find the perfect robot for your home. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more awesome reviews. Thanks for watching.